Jellyfish Air Gap Dryer. Wet to straighten in one step, simplifying your routine. Innovative U-slot design. Use powerful, precisely heated airflow to wrap around hair. The powerful airflow effortlessly draws in hair and directed downward to create tension for straight hair. Gently blow away moisture from follicles in growth direction. Eliminate frizz and flyaways, smooth surface, and reduce breakage. Temperature control 1,000 times per second. Keep airflow consistent at a low temperature. Unlike traditional tools, Jellyfish gives every hair safe and consistent temperature. Straighten your hair without heat damage. It is also a powerful hair dryer for everyone. Higher velocity for ultra-fast drying and styling. U-slot design, getting voluminous roots has never been so easy. Easy natural styling, salon quality professional performance.